Okay, guys, this is the Seagull Folk Maritime Solid Wood Series, and I'm recording with a KEL HM-7U condensing microphone into the Presonus Audiobox 22 VSL. And I apologize for my voice sounding kind of far away because it's the mic is pointed at the guitar, and at the moment I only have one mic hooked up, so that's what you get: more guitar, less of my voice. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys after I did the lowering of the action, the string height on the bridge here. I just wanted to show you guys what it sounded like. There's a tiny amount of fret buzz, but I actually like that sound. So, you know, I mean, but not much. You might not even be able to hear it. So, anyway, this is it with no processing. It's just straight into the record, no compressing, nothing like that. But anyway, so this is with the pick, kind of hard strumming. Anyway, so that was a pick. Like I said, a little bit of hard strumming there. This guitar sounds great. It's nice and crisp. Before, when the strings were higher, I don't know what the deal was, but it was just so muted sounding. And now it's just brightened it up, nice and clear. Sounds good. So yeah, that was the pick. Anyway, these are my fingers. I'm gonna strum using my fingernail, which is kind of what I do anyway. I hardly ever use a pick. Here's fingers. Yeah, so anyway, this is probably long enough, but just wanted to kind of give you a good idea of what this thing sounded like after I did the lowering of the action. And as you can see, it sounds pretty good. I'm going to strum the strings independently so you can hear kind of how hard I'm strumming and also if there is any fret buzz. So here you go. So you can see, I mean, it's normal. It's not nothing. It's perfect. I mean, this is exactly how I like a guitar. The action is very low. I'd say, I mean, you could probably fit a quarter between the strings and the frets. But anyway, Expert, YouTube, signing out.